Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a DesignSpark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the split feature. We'll go ahead and open up DesignSpark. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and create a new doc design. We're going to go ahead and do this in inches, so we'll go ahead and change this to plan view. Or actually, you know what, I'm going to leave it on the isometric view for now. So we'll go ahead and get our rectangle tool and we'll define from center. We're going to draw a rectangle 3 by 3. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and pull the rectangle up 1 inch. Okay, now to use the split feature, this is going to be it right here, the middle one, split. Go ahead and click on it. Then you click on a face. Now you have these options here. So this one is going to be select 2 cutter points. So basically you're going to click on that one. You could go and select this point here, and then you could come over here and select this point. And now you can pull these independently of each other, so it's a good feature to have. Okay, now the next one is we're going to come over here to split. We're going to select this face. It's got to turn blue, and now you're going to have, now you go up to the next one. Now this is select perpendicular cutter point. So what you do with that is that's going to pick one. So 1 point, and then it's going to draw the cutter or the line all the way across. So now you can get this piece here. Okay, now we'll go to split again. We'll select this face. Now you have this one up here, which is select UV cutter points. Now that's going to be something like this. So if you wanted to split this up into 4s, or you wanted to do something like this, go ahead and click. Now you have several areas where you could pull. Something like this. Now you can do the same on the side there too. So we'll undo this. Pretty much any face that you select, you're going to be able to use the split feature on. So we'll go back to split. We'll select that one. And then we'll come up here to this one. It's the same here. So now you can go ahead and pull that piece. Get something like this. I find it super useful, the split feature, although I don't normally use it, you know, because it doesn't really take long that extra time to draw something. But if you want to draw a part quickly, remember that you can use your split here. You can select the face, and then depending on what you want to do, you know, you could draw a point straight across. Now you have a piece over here you could pull. It's useful. We'll do a couple of undos, get back to here. You could also do this on a cylinder. Go ahead and do the split body here. This one works good for round surfaces, because if you were to put that right in the center, you basically would have, you know, pie pieces. Got a piece like this. The only place you wouldn't be able to do it is on the side, I don't think. Or actually you can. Look at that. Alright, so we can do it on the side. So that's good because now we can pull that independently. This would be good if you were making a lid. Be good if you were making a lid because you could basically pull this piece up to be your lid, and then you could go ahead and select splits, select that, but do this one or this one here. No, I think this top one is the one we got to use. And you can go ahead and split that on the bottom, and then you could pull it to make this bigger. Now you have a lid. Spin that around. You could use the shell command. Now you have a cap or a lid. If you wanted to do the same on the top, you could go here, go to split. You come across there and pull the different pieces. Doesn't look like it's letting me split this. Let's go ahead and try this one. Oh yeah, there we go. And a piece like this. Split seems pretty useful. I mean, I'll probably start using it more on my parts, because you don't really have to draw a whole lot to use it. You could draw something like this, but it does have to be extruded before you're able to use it. So you could have a piece like this. You could split it. Select your face. Now you have these extra pieces here to pull or to shrink in. Now you have drawn a really quick piece like this without much effort. I already showed you guys the combine feature. That's handy as well. Show you how to do that one real quick. Let's go ahead and make this flat. Let's draw this circle. Spin this. Let's pull. Okay, and let's spin that. Click on the face. Go to plan view. Let's draw a little shape here. Get our rectangle tool, and we'll do define from center. Do a shape like this. Get our trim away. Go ahead and spin that. We'll go to pull. Let's actually move this piece. Go ahead and select these, go to move, grab that blue, we'll just move it up a little bit, spin it here, let's do our pan over. Okay, now let's pull this down, let's get all these pieces. Let's hit our new merge first. Go about that far into the part. Now we're going to come over here and do combined. We're going to combine this part, undo this part with that part. Okay, now we're going to get our pieces. Go ahead and move this. Come over here, grab that piece, move it up. Grab that piece, delete. Oh, oops, didn't delete it. Supposed to delete that. All right, let's try it again. Let's go combined. This piece, this piece. Okay, I think it worked that time. Let's go to move. Let's move that out of the way. Let's click there. Delete. Okay. So basically that's what the combine tool does. It lets you take a shape like this, put it here, and then combine it, which actually combines it, but it also deletes it. So now you have this kind of a piece right here. So there's your combined, and then we already went over to split. So pretty handy features. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and end the tutorial there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching and you got some useful tips and tricks out of this video. And once again, thank you for watching.